I'm here with the 1997 Toyota Corolla. We were digging around in the trunk and we found this hiding in a small compartment. This is the original sealer cleaner wax that came with the car in 1997. That makes this 27 years old. Is it still any good? I don't know, but we're going to find out. So we were preparing to clean this car and get it ready, and hello, guest visit from Mr. Comet. He guess he wanted to be in the show today. But we were cleaning the car, cleaning out the trunk. We're getting this car prepared for my daughter to be able to go off to college. And we were in the trunk, and I went in underneath the carpet and in a little pocket, and this was still in there. I got to looking at them. They are still factory sealed from when they came from Toyota. This was the factory protectant and paint cleaner sealer that they wanted you to use to help maintain the factory paint warranty. And so we're going to open it up, shake it up, and we're going to shake it up, open it up, and see if it's still any good. And apparently Mr. Comet is going to help me wax the car today. Your fur work for a good buffing pad, huh? All right, let's see if we can get this stuff shook up. All right, so we spent 2 or 3 minutes giving this stuff a good shake. Sounds like it actually thickened up a little bit, like it might have a little more solids in the bottom of it. And sounds like it may be still okay. I don't know. Let's see. This may be a very short video. Yeah, great, man. Yeah. Give it a little bit more shake. Just to make sure. All right, let's get a little bit out here on the applicator pad. Let's check my camera framing. All right, well, I think I'm gonna do the passenger half of this hood first, and we'll set it up on time lapse so that we're not wasting a whole bunch of time with you watching it. And then we'll come back and wipe it down and come back into real time and we'll talk about it. All right, so when I got into it and I poured it out, there appeared to be some little chunks of something in it, like something wasn't quite mixed and blended like it was supposed to be. But I think maybe if we keep shaking it, it may come back around. I don't know. But let's see, it still looks like it's working as a wax. See how it buffs off. And of course my neighbor's gonna be out mowing grass while I'm trying to shoot a video. Rough over here. I came to about here. Rough over here. Much smoother over here. Still doing its job. Probably needs to be done one more time. See if you can see a line. Nope, really can't see any difference, but you can absolutely feel the difference. Right there. I came just past half. All right, so let's apply to this side, and then we'll apply to the whole thing one more time. Whew. All right, well, I saved you a lot of time and a lot of hassle. I went ahead and I actually waxed the entire car. To be honest, this car really probably needs a polishing with an abrasive style fine polish to go ahead and get all the little bumps that are in the paint knocked back down. But what we've got here is a well-preserved, well-waxed 1997 Toyota Corolla. They've really stood the test of time. Hope somebody would talk to Toyota and tell them we need to get back to making some vehicles like this. Basic, dependable transportation. We don't always need all the bells and whistles that you're putting on them today. Make a reliable drivetrain, something that will last an easy 20 years. This one is 27 years old with 188,000 miles and showing no signs of slowing down anytime soon. I'm going to send my daughter to college in it. I'm actually going to be getting in her 99 Camry because I feel like this car is slightly more reliable. So let's get back to making reliable cars. Now, real quick, yes, this 27-year-old polish did the job. Is it the best thing on the market? No, probably not. There's better things on the market now, but this stuff, it worked. I think I may have actually applied it a little too heavy, but that's okay. Live and learn. It was a little harder to get off than I expected, but you know, like I said, live and learn. So I'm going to take you real quick and let you do a walk around of this 188,000 mile 27-year-old Toyota Corolla and see how she's doing. Y'all come along. All right, 27-year-old cleaner wax Toyo Care product. Does it work? Yep, it still works. Is it the best thing on the market? Probably not. There's better things on the market that have developed in the last 27 years. But, you know, I just thought it would be fun to pull something out that had been long since forgotten and pushed away and to see if it still worked. And, well, it did. So, I appreciate you coming along on this journey. One last thing on this car. Is this car perfect? No, it's not perfect. Is it about as close as you can get to perfect for a 27-year-old daily driven 188,000 mile car? Absolutely. I feel comfortable enough to send my daughter 2 hours away to college in this car. So, Toyota, get back to making better products. We've got a lot of stuff to do still yet on the channel with the old 54 Ford. We've got a 64 Mercury Comet to build. And, well, you know, I like to do the modern stuff too. I've got work to do on that 21 Toyota Highlander. So while we're getting ready to shoot those videos and get that work done, while you're waiting on it, why don't you go out and watch another video coming on the screen right now?